The second competitor in the solo category this evening is Mr. Josh Vea, 28 years of age, from Hakame.